Hello guys, today we will learn about a scaling up or a scaling down of data in Google Sheets when the data is either in 1D format or 2D format. So firstly, I am generating a data through sequence function. So if you want to know more about sequence function, then you can click at the video at the top, or I will put the link of the video in the description as well. So I am generating 10 rows and one column starting with 5 at a step of 3. Okay. Now I want to multiply it with 10. Okay. And then I want to divide it by 2. And I want to make all of these negative. I am taking help of here MMULT function. So MMULT stands for M for matrix, mult for multiplication. So this is matrix multiplication function. So the matrix product of two matrices. So here you have to give the range of first matrix and then second matrix. So this is the first matrix. Since we have to multiply it by 10, then I am hard coding it in the formula only. Okay. So it had multiplied the entire table by 10. Let's go to dividing it by 2. So dividing by 2 essentially means multiplying it by 1 by 2. That is multiplying it with 0.5. Suppose I want to make all of these values negative, then I am using mmult and -1. Okay, so mmult utilizes the matrix multiplication property, and we have considered a second matrix as 10, which is a matrix with only one element, right? We can also build it up with the help of array formula. So I am writing it here, array formula, then selecting this range and then directly multiplying it with 10. Similarly, here you can write the same and multiply it by 0.5. I'm writing it here, array formula, and then multiplying by -1. Let's now generate data of two-dimensional table. So again, I am taking help of sequence function, and I am generating 4 rows and 3 columns starting at 5 with a step of 2. Okay. Now I want to multiply this entire table with 2. So I am writing it here, array formula. Okay, so it has multiplied by 2. Now let's write a mult function for it as well. So this will not work. I will tell you the reason why it's not working. Okay. So there is a prerequisite for matrix multiplication, which is number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. So wherever this condition is met, then only matrix multiplication happens, means mmult function works. So here we were able to use mmult function. So because this was the first matrix, okay, which was a 10 by 1 matrix, means it has 10 rows and it has 1 columns, and the second matrix was 10, right? So which is a matrix with 1 row and 1 column. So here you can see number of columns in first matrix was equal to number of rows in second matrix. So that is why we were able to do the matrix multiplication or mmult function. However, here we were not able to do because it has returned us an error, uh, because number of columns in first matrix is not equal to number of rows in the second matrix, right? So here in 2D table, so it has 4 rows and 3 columns, and we were multiplying it with 10, which was a matrix with 1 row and 1 column. So here you can see number of columns in first matrix was not equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So that is why it has not worked. So in these situations, we can directly write down array formula to a scale up or a scale uh, down the the tables. So the purpose of this video was to scale up and scale down data with the help of MMULT or array formula function. Hope this has been useful. So please do like, comment and subscribe.